Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Yeah, this is currently, market is currently pushing. We have not yet pushed above. Let me zoom out a bit. Hold on. So we have not pushed yet above this year's high. So a little bit more movement is needed all the way up to around about 109.3K. But we have seen some interesting developments over the last 24 hours, I would say. Obviously, as you are aware, if you watched previous videos, we had here a 1-2 setup with the market reacting to the 50% retracement to the support area yeah, reacting potentially, I don't want to say impulsively because it's not an impulse, but impulsive looking movement to the upside. So certainly a 1-2 setup that held or has been holding so far. And this is probably one of the best setups we've had in quite some time. A clear 5-wave move up that gives us a very clear set of support levels, support parameters. And even with a clear invalidation point there at 102,095. Yeah, and a set of Fibonacci levels. So we had this 5-wave move up and a potential 3-wave move down. Then we saw a rally. Now, this rally, in my view, wasn't really a 5-wave move up. So it's a bit choppy. I'm not convinced by this move to the upside from the low. It does look like this is difficult. I don't really want to call that 5 waves up. You could possibly, but it really doesn't have the best proportions. But anyway, let's call it like that. Another 1-2 setup, okay? And now we are running. Now, this is quite a significant move up, but it's not there where a 3rd wave should get to, okay? So bottom line is, we had a 5-wave move up. We were watching for support to hold. It is holding. It did hold. At least it's holding so far. And now we're rallying, and we have another 1-2 setup potentially, even though I considered that only 3 waves up originally, but I have to, if this is bullish, if this is the yellow count, then this has to have been a 1-2 setup. Based on the data we have, that strong move up, probably then in the 3rd wave right now. But to confirm that further, it needs to rally to 108K and then 108.3K, because the 3rd wave, for a viable 3rd wave, I want this to be at least at the 138% extension. So it has a bit more work to do. And then we want to see another 4-5 pattern to form circle wave 3. And we want to get another wave 4 and a wave 5. And we'll see how it develops. But overall, there is still a chance for higher prices, especially as long as this last swing low is holding. Now, if you're looking for a key level, this is it. This level must hold here at around 105,250 to keep the upside momentum intact. It's very, very clear. Because if we are already in an internal 3rd wave, then this is the key level that must hold. Now, what happens if we break below it? Well, if we break below it, and I'd say the risk for that is quite high, given the choppy price action we've had over the last few days. Yeah, let's say this over the all these fake outs we've had and everything, right? Because of that, we just have to be on the side of caution. And with the less than ideal proportions of this move to the upside, I'm just cautious. It might just be an A, B, C structure, We're still holding below the 100% extension as well. So this is resistance, next resistance. And there is no clear rejection yet. All I'm saying is, look, if we come down here, break below this last low, then the support area that we talked about in the last few videos, this support area will be relevant again. It still is relevant. We haven't really broken out to the upside yet. So the support zone stays where it is. And that means 103,076 remains the key support at the moment for a bullish outcome here. In the very short term, it's the 105,250 level. And I even told you where that internal 3rd wave should get to at least, to consider it a viable 3rd wave. If we get there, then I can add support for this wave 4, and then we can follow the move higher. Please note, if we really push higher, break to new all-time highs, it might very well be that we are not going to get a nice B-wave pullback anymore. Okay, I'm starting to think we might not see it. We might push higher more directly. But yeah, for now, the bottom line is be ready that this could be a fake out. It just makes sense because we've had so many fake outs in this range. We're just in a range at the moment. At the same time, we had one of the best setups in a long time here on the Bitcoin chart on the shorter time frame, with a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. And we have no confirmed top in place, still not. Okay, so yeah, we'll stay flexible, follow the levels on the microstructures, on the micro level here. And with this information here of this video, you should be aware of all the relevant levels now and which levels need to hold to keep the short-term trend up. And overall, we are still bullish anyway, as you know. Still would like to see the market get to 130K, but we talk about that every day in our video when we cover the daily chart. So check it out if you haven't done so. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.